Okay, here we are in Design Spark Mechanical, and how are we going to make this million? Well, I'll square the picture up first, and I'm going to load in this image, plonk it down there, then with the select tool selected, click there, hold the shift key, and we can drag diagonally. Then I shall put the rectangle box around here to measure it. There and there. So looking at the dimensions, it is 33 high and 75 wide approximately. So that's what will make it 33 by 75. I'll just write that down. Okay. Now I can dispense with this image now, and I need another construction piece, and we'll draw a spline in just to give our flexible. And now that we've got that, we can dispense, select with the rectangle, double click, delete. D for design mode, turn it around a bit, bring it down, pull tool, click and drag up, and the dimension we want is 33. Now we've got a surface, pull tool, select the surface. I'm going to make this into a solid 1/4 millimeter thick, 0.25. Right, so now we've got a solid. Click. Now we're going to go for our images again. There we are. Now we need to use the wrap. Place a wrap image, like that, and then place it right in the corner. Select tool, select the image, and grab that corner and drag it down to there. And on the rear face, file, rear, open. Grab the corner, drag. There you are, there's a million. What could be easier?